Hi everyone, this is Aparna. Today we are going to learn how to clear text from the text box. For example, we have the Google search. So let me type some word, Selenium, and now I would like to remove or clear this word from the text box. So backspace, so it will be removed. Now, so the same task I want to execute using Selenium. So for that, let me go to Eclipse first, and here I have the automation, that's my project name. Under that we have the test scripts, that is package name. Just right click on your package, go to new and click on class. So it will give you new window to type the class name. So here I will give you the class name as test16, and the public static void main should be checked. Okay, then click on finish. So here the default code will be generated. Now I will remove this. So I would like to execute my program in Chrome browser. So for that we have to do some setups. So let me write a code for that. System.setProperty, and I will give you the argument 1 and 2. So for that I will copy from the previous program. So let me copy this and paste here. So this path will tell you so where my Chrome driver is exists. So let me do yes. So this is the exact path where my Chrome driver is exist. So after that, so I would like to create object for WebDriver driver equivalent to new Chrome driver. And let me fix these issues with so let me create object for WebDriver driver equivalent to new Chrome driver. So let me import this as, so this is from Selenium.webdriver, and the Chrome driver is for, we can import it from org openqa selenium.chrome. So I set a path for my Chrome driver as well as I created object for WebDriver. So let me launch Google website by using this syntax, driver.get off https www.google.co.in and let me write a code to close this session. Driver.close, it will close the browser. So let me run this program. So the Google website got opened and it got closed. So our intention is, so I would like to send a data to this Google browser. So for that, so I will create one web element. Web element web equivalent to, so driver dot find element, and here I would like to inspect the element of text box. So for that I will go to Firefox and I will open the google.co.in .in. So let me inspect element for text box. And I would like to inspect the element for text box. Just I clicked on it. Here you will see so I found the unique name for text box as name equal to Q. So I will use the same parameter in my program. So that is WebElement web equal to driver.findElement. So by dot id of it's a by dot name, and the value is Q. And I will import WebElement as well. Yes. So it means that it will launch the browser and we will type the Google, and there it will find out the Q as text box. So we found the text box. So next I will send data to this text box, that is web.sendKeys Selenium, some text Selenium. So it will go to the text box. And so after sending this, so I would like to pause the Selenium for 5 seconds. For that I will write a code like this: Thread.sleep, and I will give the milliseconds, 5000 milliseconds, that is equivalent to 5 seconds, and it will throw you an exception and you can add it to your program. Yes. So for this, let me again run it. So let me see how it's going to execute. So our intention, the browser will open first, then we paste the URL, that is google.com, and type Selenium and wait for 5 seconds, close the browser. So after that I would like to clear the word which I sent right now. So for this, WebElement, so we already create object for WebElement, that is the by.name Q web dot. Now I would like to clear the text which I sent. So it will clear the data from the text box. Okay, let me save this and execute again. Browser open, link open, Selenium typed, and clear, and closed the browser. So this is the one way to clear the text from the text box using clear method. So we have another way to clear this. So for that, so we will use another method, that is keyboard actions. So if you want to clear the text from the text box, so using the keyboard like Ctrl A and backspace will give you the exact result. For example, so here I will go and type Selenium and I will do Ctrl A and backspace. It will remove. The same situation will be repeated in automation by using this code. So for this, I will take the help of WebElement object web.sendKeys. I would like to use combination of keys from the keyboard. For that, I will use a syntax Keys.chord. So here the first value is Keys.control, comma, and I would like to set the entire word. So for that, I will use a and yes. So it will set the whole word. Then I will do web.sendKeys, keys dot backspace. So it will clear the data from the text box. So after this, after sending the data to the text box, so I will pause the Selenium for 5 more seconds, that is Thread.sleep. Yes, let me execute this program again. So launching the browser first. Yes, it's launching now. And open the link, type Selenium and do Ctrl A and remove it and close the browser. Yes. So here we found two scenarios. So one is by using clear method we can clear the text from the text box, and by using keyboard keywords, by using that as also we can clear the data from the text box. Thank you for watching this video.